following two slides address the learning objective standards. The objectives within this course are measurable, therefore a 3 was assigned to that standard. They are also consistent with course level objectives or competencies, so again a 3 was assigned. However, these learning objectives are not explicitly stated to the learner. They were found simply in the lesson plan that I've linked right here. And they are not written from the learner's perspective. They were written more about the learner. So if we go to that lesson plan, you can see here where it says work with a partner to give and receive written feedback on a document, or use feedback suggestions to improve a document they create. And on my next two standards here, the relationship between the learning objectives or competencies and course activities are clearly stated. That relationship was not explicitly stated. While they are addressed throughout the video, that language is not addressed. And then the learning objectives are suited to the level of the course.